Hello everyone, a warm welcome. This is Syed Aziz Ahmed pursuing MBA at CMR University Lakeside campus. Today we have a wonderful personality, Dr. Rubini ma'am. She has been awarded by Best Faculty Award 2023 by Bharat Education Excellence 2023 Awards. She is a professor and also head of the department CSE School of Engineering and Technology at CMR University Lakeside campus. A warm welcome ma'am. It's been my pleasure to have you today here. Ma'am, how does it feel to receive Best Faculty Award from Bharat Education Excellence? It's just wanted to know the insights regarding that.
Yeah, hello to you. The thing what you have told was so happy for me even, and also it's happy moment for my entire department and School of Engineering and Technology. Happy to receive Best Faculty Award for organizing an event and also for the continuous academic excellence for the academic year 22-23. So what we have done is we have organized our largest national level FDP on cloud computing, especially on Amazon Web Services, wherein 10,000 faculty have taken part in it. That is the biggest FDP that have ever happened here, and that has been associated with Brainovision, who is a private limited in association with AICTE as well. Since we have organized national level FDP with 10,000 participants across India, we have achieved India Book of Records, and our university is also one among the sponsorship providers for that. So our university received India Book of Records, the faculty and then the organizers who have contributed much for that event and also who have shown excellence in academic and research for the entire 22 and 23. We have received Best Faculty Award by Brainovision in association with AICTE. I'm really proud and happy for being part of it, and also it's a great moment for our university to be proud.
The digital age has transformed the way we teach and learn. How do you integrate technology into your teaching methods, and what do you see as the future of technology in education?
Yes, it's like in recent times also I'm seeing this transformation, and near future also you can see there won't be a proper protocol for anything. If it is earlier days, even when I have graduated, it's like you have to clear all these courses and there will be set of defined courses to get a degree or whatever the course it is being for. But now it is not like that. It's wide open. You can learn from any platform, you can learn anything, and you can enter into any sort of domain. It's not a restriction that if you have done engineering, you should enter only into engineering field, or if you have done masters in arts and philosophy, you will be moving into arts and philosophy. No, that has been broken times before. Wherein if you are excel in any domain and if you are passionate in any other industry, it's open for everybody, and you can learn in any age, any kind of skills and any kind of technology. So in near future also it is going to be like that only. We can see more of business coming in and more of investors with less money. All those will happen because of this technology updation. That is a good thing, right? Many employees won't be there, wherein we can see many kind of employers in all their own domains. So when they are entering into their passionate domain, then that doesn't stop them. That is a dream for them, right? For everybody, it's a dream to have a startup or to enter into an industry where they are passionate about. So when there is a way for it, obviously they won't sleep and they will try to build more equality among everybody. That will help the nation also to become economically strong.
As an experienced professional in your field, what advice would you like to give aspiring students who are going into a teaching field and learning things?
Yes, one thing which I follow, that is what I will tell. I never advise anybody because it will be bitter. We have to keep updated for whichever the field is, even it is education or whatever it is. We should be updated every day, whichever the thing we are spending on, right? We should spare some half an hour to 1 hour to know the current. Once we know the current and then future, obviously nobody can stop us. We will be keep moving towards the future, and it will also increase your curiosity. You don't mind, like I was interested earlier in database technology, but when I came to know about AR VR is going to progress, I started learning that increased my curiosity. And when you are learning about AR and VR, immediately metaverse have come, and when you get into metaverse, you will see more wonders and then many more technologies. So one thing what we have to do to survive in any kind of industry, or for the educators also, keep yourself updated. A degree is not sufficient, whatever it is. best. If you have any kind of degree and if you feel like that degree is enough for me to enter into education, no, it is not, because students are having more enrichment of knowledge in their mobiles itself. We have to keep ourselves updated. So for that, many platforms are available, but updation is the thing which is required for everybody, which will help us to change and also change and adapt ourselves for the younger generation. Thank you so much. Thank you.